today's vlog is a bit different once again. We're on the food challenge kick. Let me explain what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, today I am going to try the Ghost Pepper Whopper challenge. Now this challenge was given to me by my brother. He asked me if I was going to do it, and I told him I don't know, but I decided to go ahead and do it. A couple more of our friends have done this, I know, but we wanted to do it ourselves because you guys know how much I hate spice. You guys know how much I just hate it. So let's dive into this thing and let's see just what it's going to taste like. Now the challenge is to finish the whole thing. Now I do have a water that I got, the courtesy water, which was nice. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Oh, it just smells spicy.
Ew, the bun is really orange.
Yeah. Well, it's supposed to be Halloween
themed.
It's a Halloween thing. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Here's a better look at it here. We got bacon on it too. So let's try it out. Okay, so here we go. Going to try this out here and just see how it is. I'm actually going to keep my hand on it because I don't want to touch the actual burger. It was Angie's great idea.
You don't like spice, so.
I'm really scared right now. You know, when I look at the bun, though, I think it looks like sweet potato bread or something like that, you know? Okay, here we go. So, apparently, the cheese is what is really spicy.
Is it spicy?
It's really bad.
You want your water?
Oh man.
You should take the bite right there. With all that cheese.
I have to get my water already. Oh man, it's making my nose flare up. Is it the spiciest thing I've ever tasted? No, but if I continue to eat this, it probably will be. It also has jalapenos on it too. Okay. That wasn't too bad there. You can smell it, can't you? You smell
I
it?
was chewing
Oh.
the bug.
Okay. Second bite wasn't bad. Now that I know what to expect. A little jalapeno right there. Okay, so, so far it's not that bad. It's definitely spicy.
I wonder if I could try it.
On the hot ones challenge that we did, it's probably like the middle one. You want to try it?
Maybe. I'll just put it right here.
Okay.
Just hold on to it.
Okay, I got it. Woo! Okay. Definitely spicy. But it tastes good, though.
It does.
It tastes really good. Definitely spicy. I really didn't even need that. I just needed to clean my palate a little bit. I'm gonna have to make sure I clean the camera and everything too. All right, more jalapenos you can see there.
Right here.
With the bacon. I can't tell if it's the bacon that's making it not as spicy. I mean, I'm sure I'll pay for it later. There's just a piece of the cheese right there. But it's not as... I was expecting it to be a lot worse. Maybe my tolerance to spice
has changed. I mean, it's spicy, but it's not like
Ooh,
smoke
okay.
coming out your ears
Ooh.
spicy.
That was a good one right there. Let's get some of this cheese.
I think it's like that meal that you get at Las Mas.
Yeah.
I think it's like that. It's not.
Yeah. There's a restaurant back home called Las Margaritas. I used to get enchilada suices, if that's how you say it. And it was it's a little spicier than that.
This is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but sometimes when they be real thick with the spice, it was pretty spicy like that.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Chicken. So final bite here. Even though Angie took 3 bites, I still could have done it. So, I actually, uh-oh.
Oh no.
I want some of the cheese.
No, the bun.
Cheese.
The bun's missing.
It's in my mouth.
Oh, okay.
So,
Not bad.
just to make sure I touch my eyes.
Also, somebody that goes through and gets that sandwich, they might get fries with it, so that'll help with the spice too.
Oh yeah. But I don't know. Let me know if you guys have had a spicier one. But that one had tons of jalapenos on it.
We've definitely had spicier with that Hot Ones challenge.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Because I thought that's what it was going to be.
Because
Like.
we had, with the Hot Ones challenge, we had like tears pouring out.
Yeah. Now my mouth is on fire though. My
Yeah.
my lips are burning right
My
now.
mouth is too, but it's not like.
I actually thought that was pretty good. I could get
Yeah.
another one. Let's go get one. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I actually liked it. It reminded me of the Buffalo Blue sandwich from PDQ a little bit. Even though it's chicken, the spice level on it. My nose is starting to run.
Yeah.
But anyway, we thought we would do this challenge for you guys today. Just have a little bit of fun. I did it. I ate the whole thing. I could eat another one. I mean, it was good. I really liked it. And the bacon on it adds to it, so it's really good. So we just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Back to theme parks tomorrow. Just had a little bit of fun peppering these in here and there. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. I'll see you tomorrow.